Hey friends! In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this cute Pinterest-inspired hairstyle. So I started off by lightly spraying her hair with the spray bottle, and friends, all the products that I use in this video I'll have in the description box below for you. And I also went ahead and detangled her hair because it needed a good detangle before I got this style in. And now I'm just creating a part from front to back, and I pretty much just used the middle of her eyebrow as my guide to where I'm going to create that part. And then I'm just going to put the side with the most hair in a ponytail just to keep it out of the way until I'm ready to work with it. So as you can see, I created my first part already, and you can create them as thick or as thin as you want. I did mine in the middle, in between that. And then I grabbed some control paste just to get her edges before I get that elastic in. And also before I get that elastic in, I'm going to use my soft bristle brush just to smooth out that. And also you definitely want to make sure the hair is detangled. And there I go, finally getting that elastic in there. And now I'm just going to create another part. I'm trying to keep the parts as close to the same size as possible. And then again, I'm just going to add some of the control paste to her edges. And then here you can see I grabbed that first ponytail, the one with the pink elastic in it, and I'm combining it with the hair of the part that I just created. And then I'm putting the elastic in. So friends, I just wanted to show you that you kind of want to know where your side ponytail is going to be positioned, where that elastic is going to go, because that's where you're going to stop making these piggyback ponytails going towards the back. Friends, I don't know if I told you yet that these are called piggyback ponytails, but anyways, yeah, you do want to know where those are going to end, because you're going to end up making some going towards the front. Now, if you don't understand what I mean, you are going to totally understand once you see me do it. But anyways, I only needed to do 3 of these piggyback ponytails going towards the back. So now I'm just going to do some of these parts, and I'm going to create the piggyback ponytails going towards the front. So I started at the bottom creating my parts. Again, I am trying my best to get them the same width as those ones at the front there. So friends, I just wanted to show you, see how I was positioned here when I was putting the elastic in? Now notice I took it out and I moved positions because I feel like it's so much more easier to be in this position than at the back. For me personally anyways, to get that elastic in the right place that I want it. Now here I am just putting the last elastic in on the piggybacks going towards the front, and as you can see I have 4 going towards the front rather than just 3. So friends, now I'm just grabbing these 2 ponytails, I'm going to put them together, and then I'm going to put an elastic in, and then about every centimeter I'm going to put another elastic in. I'll show you how to do that, but I did want to let you know that I was just going to leave this hair out and put it into the side ponytail, but because when I did that some hair was just kept coming out, I was just like, nah, I'll just put it in these elastics. But if your little one's hair is longer, you can definitely do that, or put it in a braid, or even a twist, or anything. Get creative. So now here, as you can see, I got another elastic, and I'm just going to put that about a centimeter above that other elastic, that orange elastic, and then I'm just going to continue doing that. And then as you can see, I just left about 1 inch of hair at the end. And then here I just want to quickly mention that I did detangle this hair before I got that side ponytail in. So now I'm just going to get that side ponytail in there. And friends, I did add some of the control paste to her edges with the toothbrush. And now I'm using this detangler brush. I love to use this brush when I'm getting ponytails in Sekora or Sefari's hair, just because it does get out all those knots that the wide tooth comb couldn't get out. And also I try my best not to brush through her hair to her ends, just because I don't want her ends to be breaking. And anyways, as you can see, I just grabbed that ponytail and I connected it with that hair, and then I'm gonna grab an elastic and I'm gonna put an elastic into that. So now for this hair that is left out, I just left it like this, all nice and fluffy. If you want some more defined curls, you can use some of the flaxseed gel or whatever gel that you use to get those nice defined curls. But for this style, I really wanted to keep it all nice and fluffy. And friends, I know you see white stuff in her hair, but it is because of the spray bottle, and it does evaporate after it dries. So it's not there, and I couldn't wait an hour to show you guys that because we were running out the door after this style. But yeah, it does eventually evaporate and there's no white stuff there, trust me. And now, as you can see, I'm just using the soft bristle brush just to smooth out those edges even more. You don't need to do that, but I like to. So my friends, there you have it, another cute hairstyle you can do in your little one's hair. I would say that this hairstyle takes about 15 minutes to do. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorials. We love you, friends. Bye!